Sir, may I come in? Okay, come. Take your seat and relax. Please say about yourself. What is your name? My name is Amit Basu. Why are you interested to admit in this job? I am interested to admit in this job because I am thinking that this is an ideal, good job to reform the social and development of the child. How many years experience have you about this job? I have 5 years experience. How much money have you deserved? I would deserve 30,000 money. Okay, I inform you later. I make an orange juice. At first, I shall go to the market and have bought fresh orange, and I clean the orange to wash and select it, and separate the peels of orange and remove the seeds. Then the orange put into the juicer and some water, powder and sugar, and switch on the juicer. Then the liquid orange juice separated and poured into the bottles. How I wash my dish. At first I select my dirty clothes or dish and put into the washing machines, and some powder and detergent with it, and switch on the machines, and it cleans the dish. Then cleans all dish I have need is dry. What is your favorite color's name? My favorite color's name orange. What is your hobby? My hobby, I like to studying different varieties books and watch to the TV programs. Wash your face, wash your hand, look at the sun, brush my teeth, open the door, close the window. What is the time? Please subscribe.